So I'm gonna get a tattoo of my son's name. And Eli's getting his ears pierced. And my sister's getting both of her kids' initials. My sister over here trying to get free services. Everything has a price. She thinking it don't. Everything has a price.
To bring me my money. Yeah.
That's all I gotta say. Get the extra 50 ready. So, what kind of tattoo would you want? If you were getting a tattoo?
Probably somebody's name or my name.
Somebody?
Like one of my family members.
Like who in particular?
What did he say?
What about me? I asked Eli, I said, what kind of tattoo would you get? He said, I would get like a family member's name. I said, who? Someone in particular? He just looked around and said, Amir. Could at least get my name. See, it would mean Daniel and Amir.
I know, but he ain't talking about you. He talking about his brother.
I don't know. There's something.
Yeah. If that's how that's going, he just burned me.
Oh, shut your mouth, you dirty little hamster.
I didn't burn you. I just flicked something that was in his ear off. Eli's getting his ears pierced. Yay! He's gonna look so handsome. His first piercing.
Breathe, bro, breathe.
Mom, I'm just gonna make sure you like where that is. I like to go in the middle, just so that way, if they choose bigger jewelry in the future, it's still symmetrical, and that way, over time, he doesn't have to worry about it splitting.
Okay, yeah. That's good. You wanna look in the mirror after she...
You wanna just check that one before I match it up to the other one?
Just answer the question, okay? Please don't play with me right now.
You're gonna look so great.
Not too bad, right?
Breathe, bro, breathe. Come on, leave it.
And then once we do the other
That shit hurting.
What did he say?
No. You were getting beat when you didn't eat that food. What no?
It doesn't hurt that bad.
Stop the cap.
Look at his ears, everybody. You see the difference already. Stunting on him, stunting on him, stunting on him. You feel me, you feel me, you feel me. He already too cool. Already. Now it's time for me to get my tattoo.
No, I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to do it.
That shit hurting.
Oh, little baby gonna cry.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
You gotta be kidding me.
Thank God.
Check it out.
for my baby.
I am disgusted.
Look at my sister getting a tattoo.
Baller, huh? You baller?
All right, turn to the other side so I can see the other one. Ooh.
All right.
All right, so now that I got my tattoo and he got his piercing, we're getting some cookies from the good old Heaven Bakery.
Oh, shut up, fat ass.
I love the cookies. The snickerdoodles are the better cookie. Everybody knows me, knows I grew up around here, Forestville Mall. I stayed over here. Good old stomping grounds. I used to work at the beauty supply store. It was over there. 5-Star Beauty.
Oh, Trixie, please stop talking. I'm trying to figure something out.
We all know where we going. To the 5 and below. Ooh. They got a lot going on up in here. You know, camera chrome. They got a lot of stuff in here. Very important party. Oh, a Wicked poster. So cool. Ooh, sorry. And look at that back of his hair.
I can even see through the window.
It's very cold. We left Five Below. I stocked up on stuff I don't need to be eating, but I'm eating it anyway. And then we're gonna go get some Jamaican food. Hopefully the Ivory Cafe is still over there by the Dave and Buster's. Or is it the Chipotle and the AV Federal? One of those. I can't wait. Even my accent changed. That's how you know I'm home, baby. I'm home.